Hi, I'm glad you joined us today for this video where I'll be responding to the question, what am I going to do about all of this holiday decor I no longer use? Yes, tis the season, or soon will be the season, of holiday cheer, laughter, joy, and decorations. For many of us over the years, we've accumulated a lot of decorations. And now, with the thought of downsizing, it seems to be a real challenge. Don't worry, here at Seniors Living Smarter, we have a plan for you. Before we talk about the steps that can be taken to help with this process, I want to first talk about why it really is important to begin sooner rather than later. If we're trying to decide what to keep, who to give items to, what to do with them in the middle of a move, it's just extra stress. It's emotionally draining. This is something that's easy to begin ahead with. So let's think about that. You know, you're freeing up space in your house as you're getting things out. You're freeing up space in your mind. You're alleviating that decision fatigue. You're then going to be much more able to enjoy the holiday season. So let's talk about the steps that will get you through this process. Step 1 would be making a commitment to simplify your holiday decorations, working out a timeline, really embracing the idea, I am going to simplify and plan for downsizing with my holiday decorations. So here comes the concrete action. Step 2 would be to find a space where you can spread out your holiday decor, and then you want to categorize it. Category 1 will be what you want to take with you. Keeping in mind you're going to be in a smaller space. Category 2 will be the things that you want to give to family and friends. We'll talk more about that in just a minute. Category 3 would be the things you want to donate. It's time for someone else to enjoy them. And category 4 will be those things you just need to dispose of. They're really seen their better days. And by the way, if you're going to be getting things out of your attic, be sure to ask for help. We don't need people climbing up on attic ladders and handing things down. Recruit help. That's important. So back to our steps. Step 3, this is the fun part. When you think about those items that are special that you want to share with family and friends, take a moment to reflect on the significance, the history, the story behind these items. Jot those down, and when you give the item to family and friends, share the story too. It really adds a lot, both for you and for the recipient. They'll really appreciate it. So step 4 would be to really establish then a date for completing this donation. Things that are going for donation or that you're giving family and friends. Maybe these would make great Christmas presents this year. Make your timeline so that then you can celebrate your success, your completion. Step 5 then is pack up those items that you're going to be keeping for yourself. I hope that this has helped you with some ideas. I want to emphasize again, don't be climbing up in attics. Get people to help you with this. Give us a call here at Seniors Living Smarter. We'll find a way to help you with that. And also, as you celebrate your successes, let us know. You know, it's fun to hear the stories of downsizers as they celebrate successes and accomplishments. Well, I hope you found this helpful. Till next time, it's Virginia Lazenby with Seniors Living Smarter. Have a great day.